I'm Russ. I do not have my Muslim name yet, but I was born in the Catholic religion, and I studied for the Catholic priesthood for 3.5 years, and I left that not feeling very fulfilled with what that religion was offering me. So 50 years later, I've been wandering, and I became very interested in Islam through some people I've met, and I was very intrigued with the living religion that is practiced throughout the day, and it's part of their life. And I found myself very drawn to a religion that I could live throughout the day, and not just one day a week in my former upbringing. So I'm thrilled to have found Islam, and the peace that it will bring me in.
He's standing here, inshallah, to take the shahada, so he and all of us could go to eternal paradise, inshallah. He already knows the shahada. He's just going to proclaim in front of all of us, inshallah. So, alhamdulillah, right? He already has such a head start from compared to many new Muslims. So, Brother Russ, go ahead, please. You can recite the shahada and do the translation for all of us, inshallah. Go ahead, please.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar. Do you know the meaning of that, Brother Russ?
There is only one God to worship, and that's Allah, and Muhammad was his prophet and messenger.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Alhamdulillah. So we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep our brother Russ and all of us guided in Islam. We pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to strengthen Brother Russ and all of us Iman. And we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make Brother Russ and all of us, make it easy for us to learn, practice, and very important, share this wonderful message of Islam with all of humanity. With that, welcome to Islam, and there are two gifts we want to give, by the way. This is obviously the Book of God, the yellow one over here. It's a translation. And this is a book that speaks about a brief overview of what Islam is and who Muslims are. With that, Brother Russ, welcome to Islam. You're all your brothers and sisters here. Welcome to Islam, brother. Allahu Akbar.
بعد الموت لا إله إلا الله آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله